breathe.
Breathing's overrated.
Oh.
That is pretty tasty.
My eyes watering. That is so awesome.
Good, isn't it? Isn't that good?
Just like her mom.
Face on it.
Never did that.
When she's 18 and you show her this.
Yeah, I know.
She's gonna fire you.
Look at you.
Puppy.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, Dave.
Scott cake.
Okay,
that's the one that I want. Okay.
You're just here for our amusement, Poppy.
Pretty much.
It's
Not really your birthday. We just wanted to have some fun.
That's pretty good.
Oh, that's classic.
Oh my God. Look at you.
You need one of those suction things because it was way up there.
Wait till she sneezes.
Yeah.